Welcome to our journey through Ethereum, a blockchain shaping tech's future. Explore its basics. Launched in 2015 by Vitalik Buterin, Ethereum expanded beyond Bitcoin, enabling apps and smart contracts. Its blockchain is a secure ledger, recording transactions across nodes for transparency. Smart contracts automate agreements. Code executes terms when met. Streamlining loans. ETH powers Ethereum. Paying for transactions. Trade ETH with Kovich Bitcoin. A crypto marketplace. Miners secure the network. Preventing fraud. Proof of stake cuts energy use. Validators stake ETH. Boosting efficiency. DeFi offers lending. Trading without banks. NFTs are unique digital assets. Transforming ownership. Ethereum's cryptography prevents hacks. Upgrades ensure trust. Layer 2 solutions like Optimism boost speed. Cut costs. Ethereum's roadmap includes sharding for scalability. Aiming for adoption in finance. Gaming. Thanks for exploring. Trade with Kovich Bitcoin.